Hello, I'm Hugo. I work in sales and marketing department for Forecom Machine Tools. This video will highlight Chevalier's new FSG 20/24AD4 series of service grinders. The series now regulates the lubrication system, hydraulic system, and the spindle cooling in one unit to keep a uniform and consistent machine temperature. And with the maximum table speed 30 meters per minute, the system greatly improves efficiency, accuracy, and stability. The current design uses a new double-layer casting structure, paired with a highly rigid spindle structure to ensure grinding quality. The longitudinal movement is equipped with a double V guideway that rests on a circulating oil film lubrication system and is fully supported with a T-shaped base. The cross feed is controlled with direct drive AC servo motors. With Chevalier's compensational graphic eye service control, the system includes in-machine dynamic wheel balancing that reduces grinding wheel vibration and eliminates workpiece service ripple, auto table dressing with auto compensation, constant cutting speed with a variable speed spindle, smart grinding pad to automatically minimizes air cutting stroke during the grinding of irregular shapes such as ILZ or triangular. And Chevalier's exclusive iMachine communication system, IMCS, can meet the needs of stable and smart production lines. Additional PC and software are required. This machine can be used in new energy industry for lithium battery coating slot and dinking die. Chevalier is your smart choice, serving you now and into the future.